Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G32 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. Here you'll see all of the available wallpapers. You could use photos from your device gallery. Or if you get some photos, you could use them or download it from the internet. Also, we could use our device download default wallpapers also. For example, let's use one from the wallpapers. You could here change the position, see the preview on home lock screen, then tap on the right down corner to OK, tap to the lock screen, and that's it, wallpaper set successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.